Weapons determine the lifeline of a country, and tanks are an extremely important piece of equipment. Tanks are known as the king of land warfare, so all countries spare no effort to develop new technologies, hoping to always be at the forefront. Especially after World War II, tanks have developed by leaps and bounds. Let's take a look at the 10 most powerful tanks in the world. If you like this video, please click to support. Thank you. Number 10. Altai Main Battle Tank. The Altai Main Battle Tank is Turkey's third-generation main battle tank and is in the development stage. The plan is to produce 251 vehicles of this type by 2024. The tank is expected to have a 120mm smoothbore gun, armor protection function, can resist various threats on the battlefield, and have a protection system corresponding to biological, chemical, and radiation attacks. Thanks to its 1,800 horsepower engine, the tank is expected to reach a top speed of 70 km per hour. The tank is capable of climbing 60% slopes and can travel 4 meters underwater or 1.2 meters in unprepared conditions. Specific details about the composition of the armor have not been made public due to safety reasons, but it is known that the tank uses a combination of composite armor and reactive armor systems. These armor technologies enhance protection against a range of threats including anti-tank missiles, rocket-propelled grenades, and kinetic penetrators. Number 9. Type 10 Main Battle Tank. The Type 10 Main Battle Tank is a new generation main battle tank of the Japan Ground Self-Defense Force produced by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries. It officially entered service in the Japan Ground Self-Defense Force in January 2012, and it adopted a variety of revolutionary new technologies. The tank has a lot of the most advanced technology, and it also continues the exquisiteness of Japanese weapons. In terms of power, Type 10 uses a Japanese-made 4-stroke diesel V8 engine, which can output a maximum power of 1,200 horsepower, and the maximum speed is estimated to be above 70 km per hour. Defensively, the tank features nanocrystal steel turrets for extra protection. In terms of active defense, the tank is equipped with an active defense kit that can confuse enemy anti-tank missile systems with laser guidance devices. In terms of weapons, the Type 10 tank is equipped with a 120mm smoothbore gun developed by Japan itself. Panther K2 tank. South Korea's self-developed Panther K2 tank is the world's most expensive tank, worth $8.5 million. According to Guinness World Records, the tank first appeared at the Seoul National Defense Exhibition in October 2009. The main gun of the tank is a 120mm smoothbore gun authorized by Rheinmetall in Germany. It is equipped with an automatic loading machine and does not require a loader. It can continue to load shells even when running on uneven roads. In terms of armor, it uses an unknown confidential composite armor and an additional explosive reactive armor block, which has excellent defense capabilities. The vehicle-mounted millimeter-wave radar connected to the onboard computer can detect incoming objects from all directions, which is quite advanced. The Panther is equipped with a new 1,500 horsepower engine, which can exceed a top speed of 70 km per hour on the road and 48 km per hour off-road. Through the ventilation device, you can cross the 4.1 meter deep river and climb a 60-degree slope up to 1.3 meters. Number 7. Leclair Main Battle Tank. The French Leclair Main Battle Tank is an advanced main battle tank developed by the French Ground Weapons Group. The tank was shipped in December 1991 and entered service in 1995. In terms of protection capabilities, Leclair adopts a fully welded steel body and turret. It is the second main battle tank in the world that uses modular armor technology. The Leclair Main Battle Tank is equipped with a 120mm smoothbore gun with an electronic servo gyroscope 2-axis gun barrel stabilization system, which can aim and shoot instantly and synchronize actions with the observation system through the fire control system. Superior maneuverability is powered by a 1,500 horsepower engine, allowing it to reach speeds of 71 km per hour on roads and 50 km per hour off-road. Its off-road performance is enhanced by a hydropneumatic suspension system that contributes to a smoother ride. High-strength defense capabilities, high mobility, and advanced technology make it one of the most powerful tanks in the world. Number 6. Challenger 2. The Challenger 2 is the workhorse tank of the Royal Army. It has advanced armor and electronics, including a thermal imaging system and a laser rangefinder. The weight is about 62.5 tons, and the 1,200 horsepower engine provides a steady stream of power for the Challenger 2, making it a maximum speed of about 59 km per hour. Although its speed is slightly slower, its extraordinary combat capabilities make up for some of the Challenger 2's weaknesses. As a main battle tank with relatively advanced performance, Challenger 2 has excellent performance in terms of defense and attack. In terms of defense, the Challenger 2 uses multi-layer armor protection, and its armor thickness has reached the highest level. In terms of attack, it has a high-precision 120mm smoothbore gun that can fire various types of ammunition, including armor-piercing, high-explosive, and smoke bombs. This also makes the Challenger 2 a symbol of British armored power. Number 5. Merkava IV. The Merkava IV is the workhorse tank of the Israel Defense Forces and one of the best main battle tanks in the world. This type of tank has developed 4 models. Merkava IV is currently the latest tank type. The tank has been put into the battlefield of military conflicts between Israel and other countries many times, and it is one of the main battle tanks that have experienced the most actual combat times in the world. Due to Israel's sparse population, Merkava tanks attach great importance to defensive performance, installing the thickest armor and active defense systems to withstand the bombardment of rockets and anti-tank missiles. It is equipped with a 120mm main gun that can fire a number of different types of ammunition. The tank also has advanced armor and electronics to ensure precise strikes on targets under any conditions. The weight of the tank is about 65 tons, and the powerful engine has a driving force of more than 1,500 horsepower. It can travel at a top speed of 64 kilometers per hour. The tank began development and production in 2009 and was announced for service in 2011. Number 4. Leopard 2A7 Plus tank. The Leopard 2A7 Plus tank is the main tank of the German army. It is equipped with a 120mm main gun that can fire a number of different types of ammunition. The muzzle velocity reaches 1,750 meters per second using tungsten alloy bullets. The penetration depth reaches 700 millimeters at room temperature, and the accuracy is quite high, with a range of 2,000 meters. Although the tank weighs about 68 tons, thanks to the 1,500 horsepower engine, it has relatively good acceleration performance. It only takes 6 seconds to accelerate from 0 to 32 kilometers per hour, and the maximum speed is about 70 kilometers per hour. The tank also has advanced armor and electronic equipment. A TV camera is installed at the rear of the car body. Its monitor allows the driver to reversing more safely. It also uses a hybrid navigation system based on Euro technology and GPS support to enable the tank to navigate in any combat environment. Number 3. 99A Main Battle Tank. As the latest third-generation main battle tank in China, the 99A main battle tank is one of the largest combat armor on land and the ace weapon of the PLA. On the international stage, the 99A main battle tank shocked everyone as soon as it appeared on the stage and became the ultimate killer that frightened the world. The tank has a built-in vehicle information system, data link equipment, and inter-vehicle information system, which can be displayed through digital maps, identification of friend or foe, positioning and navigation, and data communication. One of the most striking is the replacement of the second-generation staring focal plane infrared thermal imager, which has an effective distance of 8 to 9 kilometers. Even in a harsh environment with visual visibility of only 100 meters, it still has a detection distance of 4 kilometers. In terms of firepower, the 99A main battle tank is equipped with a 125mm smoothbore gun, which can fire a variety of ammunition. It is equipped with an engine with a maximum power of 1,500 horsepower, which allows the tank to reach a maximum speed of 80 kilometers per hour. The tank also has a very outstanding off-road ability, almost unimpeded. Number 2. M1A2 Main Battle Tank. This tank is the main battle tank equipped by the U.S. Army. The total weight is about 63.5 tons, and the main weapon is a 120mm smoothbore gun. The tank vehicle is equipped with advanced inter-vehicle information system and battlefield management system, equipped with new protective armor and electronic equipment. The tank is equipped with an advanced battlefield management system, which can automatically provide the position of the troops of both sides, logistics information, target data and orders, etc. Tanks add another layer of defense, capable of intercepting incoming threats. The tank supports day and night combat in almost all weather conditions, and the tank can reach a speed of 67 kilometers per hour when powered by a 1,500 horsepower gas turbine engine. Its unique suspension system and high-power engine have been carefully tuned to provide extraordinary flexibility and maneuverability on various terrains. The United States has always claimed that its tanks are the number 1 in the world, and is proud of it. Number 1. T14 Armada Main Battle Tank. The tank made its public appearance at the military parade on Red Square in Moscow on May 9, 2015. As the third-generation main battle tank of the Russian army, It once stole the limelight in the world tank rankings, and the Russian military even called it the most advanced tank in the world. The active defense system of the Armada tank is very advanced. The defense system radar relies on the characteristics of high transmission power, small transmission error, long detection distance, and anti-electromagnetic interference capability. The T14 Armada tank is currently the tank with the longest range, the greatest power, the highest tank ammunition filling efficiency and strike accuracy in the world, and it has more powerful penetration and damage capabilities. The tank weighs 48 tons and has a 1,500 horsepower engine. It can move at an astonishing speed of 80 to 90 kilometers per hour with a maximum travel distance of 500 kilometers. The unmanned turret technology adopted by the Armada tank enables the 3 crew members to see all directions and listen to all directions so as to better realize tank operation, detect incoming attacks, and carry out counterattacks. If you also like similar videos, click on the home page to browse and pay attention. Thanks for watching. We will meet again in the next program.